Thank you so much. I have read the one of the five. In fact, this is the copy on the table here of H.R. 3200. For those in the back, I'll just lift it up and put it back down because it's heavy. It's important to understand that this is one of five pieces of legislation. There are 3 in the House, 2 in the Senate. The Senate last week in the Health Committee passed one of those 2 versions out of committee. What the work left on the Senate side is going to be the Finance Committee, how they're going to pay for it. On the House side, you've got the Ways and Means Committee, you have the Education and Labor Committee, and you have Energy and Commerce Committee. H.R. 3200 is what's pending in Energy and Commerce Committee. The Ways and Means Committee passed their version out of committee last week, so things are moving forward. What's very important to understand is there's a lot of difference between what's in the wrapping paper and what's inside the box. The wrapping paper is the label they're giving to the bill, Affordable Health Choices. Doesn't that sound nice? I guarantee you it's not going to be affordable to the taxpayer, and it really isn't about choices. And what we're going to do in the next 15 minutes is walk you through some of that. I want to start by showing you a video clip from C-SPAN 3. I'm going to set it up before we actually start it. This session of the Senate Health, Education, Labor, and Pensions Committee, HELP, HELP. They needed a lot of help during their hearings. They were marking up or amending their bill, their version of this montage. On June 17th, it was their first hearing, not where they were receiving testimony from witnesses, but where they were talking to each other. And that's one reason why I followed that committee for a little more than a week's worth of hearings. Because when they talk to each other and they say, we need to change this because, oh, I don't like this because, then you get a real sense of what the intentions are and where this thing is going. What I want you to hear, not me reading a transcript, I want you to actually hear the acting chairman, Chris Dodd, make some statements. Now, he is sitting in as a substitute for Ted Kennedy. That bill in the Health Committee on the Senate side is Senator Kennedy's bill. As you know, he's very ill, cannot physically attend and chair his own committee, so Chris Dodd is sitting in his place. My guess is when all 5 versions of this get to a point where they're finished at the committee level and they're